The Corinthians believed in spiritual gifts. They believed in knowledge, eloquence, status, yet they were hurting one another. This is what you talk about when we say sounding brass. Because when you talk about sounding brass, in the Greek, this word refers to a loud bronze instrument or gong. And it makes plenty of noise, but no meaningful melody. Paul is saying you can sound impressive, but if love is absent, you are just making noise. This applies to preaching. This applies to singing. This applies to praying. This applies to prophesying. This applies to teaching. This applies to speaking in tongues. Without love, the sound might be loud, but it lacks the heart of God.